You'll be excited to know that you can get your product for free. Most people that accept the Zeal for Life challenge end up wanting to tell other people about it. They love to share it. So how does that work? Just refer at least 4 other customers to take the challenge with you, and you'll get your product for free the following month. G4. Get 4 and pay no more. That's the name of our referral program. Simply invite some friends over, share some great tasting shakes, share your story, and challenge your friends. All you need is 4, and you'll get your Zeal free each and every month. Think about it right now. Who do you know that might want to drop a few pounds, maybe get fit, improve their overall health and mindset, or maybe just have fun taking the challenge with you? I bet you know more than 4, which means you can get your product for what? Free. It's that simple. G4. Get 4 and pay no more.